students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we will do mental maths and today's topic is BODMAS. Do you know what is BODMAS? It have a definite definition. Okay, let's see the definition of the BODMAS. Here B means bracket. B means bracket. O means of. D means division. A means multiplication. A means addition. And S means subtraction. So, why we should learn BODMAS? Because in a sum, if you find all the operations are there, these are the operations like division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, of, bracket. If in a sum all the operations are there, then you may get confused that which one you will do first and which one you will do at last. So, at that time, if you will follow this BODMAS rule, then you can easily find out that which operation you have to do first and which operation you have to do next. Okay? And there is another thing, types of bracket. In the BODMAS, there are 3 types of brackets. How many types of brackets? 3. Which are which are those? First bracket, second bracket, and third bracket. So these are the 3 types of brackets. Okay, so let's start the first example for you. Example 1 is 18 divide 6 plus 3 minus 2. So here you can see 3 types of operations are there: division, addition, subtraction. So if you don't know BODMAS, then you can be confused that which one you will do at first, which one you will do at second, which one you will do at third. But as now you know BODMAS, you can easily say that yes, division will be at first, addition will be then, and subtraction will be at the last. So which one you have to divide? 18 divide 6, because division sign is in between 18 and 6. So when you will divide 18 divide 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So 3 we will write and the rest all the things we will write. Okay. Now which one you have to do at first? Addition, that means 3 plus 3, that is 6. Rest thing you have to write down. Now 6 minus 2, that is 4. So 4 will be our answer. Let's do the second one. 20 plus 12 divide 3 plus 1 minus 23. As you know the BODMAS rule, at first you have to do the division. That means 12 divide 3. Rest all the things will sit accordingly. Okay. 12 divide 3, that means 4. Plus 1 minus 3, all the rest things we will write. Next, what we have to do? Addition, that means 20 plus 4 plus 1, that means 25. Next, minus 23 we will write down, that means our answer will be 2. Okay, next example 3 we will do 16 plus 4 into 2 divide 2 minus 8. So as we know the BODMAS rule, which one will be at first? Division. So all the rest over things we have to write. So division is between 2 divide 2. Okay. So 2 divide 2 will be 1 minus 8. Okay. Next, which one have to do? Multiplication. So 16 plus we will write 4 into 1 4 minus 8. So 16 plus 4, that is 20, minus 8. That means our answer will be 12. Okay, so this is the way in which you have to do this type of sums. Next we will go to the next sums. Okay, let's see the fourth one. See, 18 minus 2 into bracket start 2 plus 3. As I have already told you, there are 3 types of bracket. First bracket, second bracket and third bracket. If you remember that, can you say what bracket is this? Yes, this is first bracket. And another thing that I have told you is that whenever you will follow BODMAS rule, at first you have to do the sum that is inside the bracket. Bracket will come at first. See the BODMAS rule? Bracket will come at first. So here we will do the bracket portion at first. That means 18 minus 2 into this thing we will write. Next thing is 2 plus 3, that means 5. Next we will do the multiplication portion. 2 into 5, that is 10. 18 minus 10, that is 8. So our answer will be 8. Next there are 5 sums, that is your homework. Not only this, the above 4 sums also you will do in your maths copy, and these 5 sums you will have to do in your maths copy. Okay, till then stay good, stay happy. Thank you.